It's great. It's great to see you. It's been what, a year or so?
Nice to see you too, Dale.
So coming live from Spain. Where are you in Spain again, Elba?
Right now, I'm in the capital in Madrid.
Oh, okay. All right.
So we have a Madrid and USA connection right now.
Yes. So really great to see you. Maybe we introduce the work you do. You work with something called a wolf wave.
Yeah.
That's a big part of your work, kind of like three drive stuff and RSI stuff is mine. Everyone has their style. So, what do you think about where we're at going into year end? What is catching your attention now? I know we had this, tremendous moves in metals and commodities have been enjoying
Yeah, and as you
things.
all said, this means a lot of things. Not all of them are good. And I have, as you said, some reversal patterns as well waves, but
Okay.
it's not that I only trade downwards or to the change. No, I used to trade with Fibonacci also, which is trendy, and I will show you all the figures I have
Okay.
in all the actives if you want to,
Yeah, sure. Share your
and
screen.
we can make a comparison of the European markets with some years ago, which are they are making right now the same patterns. They are appearing some very wolf waves that they are warning us that maybe the trend is going to end or it's going to change, but this is not going to be a bearish market, for example, but it's going to make probably an adjust. I can share my screen. Can
Sure.
I?
It's at the bottom,
Yeah.
that green box.
Okay, so I can show you if I want to show one or two or okay. So let's begin. Okay, let's begin if it lets me with dollar index. Are you seeing dollar index right now on
Yes.
screen
Yes.
with black?
I see the Dixie.
Yeah,
Is that
DXA.
okay? Yeah.
Like that. It's the king right now, and it's making a movement, which is confusing maybe a lot of us because we have here the area of resistance. This in yellow is the pattern that Dale Pinkert is telling that I work. It appears at the end of a bearish trend or at the end of a bullish trend, warning us that it's going to change. And I calculate two targets.
That
So
wolf wave is comprised of three, and three drives I use, to
it's
top
5 points. It's 5 points.
five.
There,
Okay,
yeah.
five.
The most
One.
important one is point 0.5, which is the bottom or
Okay.
it's at the top, and it
Yeah.
indicates the reversal move has begun, and it
Yeah.
has to be supported by high volume also.
Yeah.
So that's why we need to check when the reversal is beginning. We need to see a higher minimum here
Yeah.
to continue. So it appears in dollar index at the bottom. We will see now, this is in 1 hour chart, and it pushes the price until the resistance and the reversal area, which is marked here in blue, where several times before it reacted the price,
Yeah.
but it has broken it right
Yeah. It's a
now.
breakout. Breakout.
Yeah, like that. And we need to see right now this session of this Friday. Let's see how it can consolidate or not, because, and maybe you have probably show it. This is daily chart, and we can
Okay.
see that the price went down, and but we can see even if we have two Fibonacci impulses which were bearish, it completed them a tick, and then
Yeah.
the impulse was made, and now it's completing a double bottom. this was the area where I was going to expect a reversal, a reject, maybe to consolidate the breakout of the 50 moving average in daily chart. But it break it right now, and we need to know if this breakout is good or not. Next week we will see if the price is going to go down a bit, to bounce here, because this changed a lot of things in the forex market, because a lot of people here in Europe were waiting for a higher euro dollar, and everybody was giving
Well,
nothing
they're
for
going to
the
have to
dollar
wait.
index. Eh?
They're going to have to wait.
Yeah, but maybe this will not happen in the short term, because if a dollar index consolidates this breakout, if he makes
You couldn't find a lot of
lower high,
dollar bulls, Alba, in late September when the Fed eased. So
uh-huh,
it's been a very crowded trade. I think banks said the most bearish market's been the dollar in 20 years. The break was the fastest decline. There were no dollar bulls in September, and we have to shake the bears out before
like
there's
that,
another decline,
like
right?
that.
Yeah,
And we are waiting right now that the breakout is made. We now need to see a higher low like this. Maybe in the area, if it loses this resistance, is not the end of the world, because once it respects the 50 moving average, it's okay. A bounce in 97, 98, in 98, it will be okay. To continue with this scenario, no, with that recovery next scenario, we have seen this an accumulation here, and now it can change a lot, because it affects directly to British pound dollar right now, that it's breaking support.
yeah,
It's probably making the same figure but double top. It's
yeah.
like that. And we have different targets here. Now, the target that it's activating British pound is 1.324, and the next one, it confludes with the 200 simple moving average, which is in 1.316. So I think it's quite possible to see British pound in those levels, and it could be a good swing, but we have two supports to break right now. So if we move to another chart, which is, for example, more an intraday chart, we are about to be very aware of any rejection, any lower high, to open shorts if the dollar index continues to go on. And maybe in euro dollar, we will see a lower euro dollar right now. We can see the euro dollar in 1.45, 14, 5, or
Yeah.
14.6, something like that, next week. So everything is about dollar index to maintain here the breakout it has made, or if it loses it, then we can see another operative. But right now, this breakout has changed in the short term the scenario for the other forex pairs. Don't
Of
know.
course.
Yeah. And I was seeing your colleagues. They were analyzing gold and they were analyzing silver. I had here all the targets of the long-term targets, which were the maximum in silver. Silver is in maximum historical maximums right now, and it's making a strange movements right now in the 50. A lot of rejection here, but there is no reversal movement right now.
No.
You see, there's a strong, every time it touches the 50 moving average, it bounces. And the price tell us what to do.
What are
Until
the
the
next?
price,
What are your next levels above where we're at?
right now, sky's the limit, because we have broken the history maximums.
Okay, you don't have anything above.
No, right now, if we put this, which you see a chart, it is a cup and handle pattern. If we
We'll just measure the
the
move.
projection, I think is completed right now. It's full completed. So it needs to breathe. The price needs to breathe, but there is a lot of banks, central banks, they are buying this and they are buying gold.
How about maybe we could shift to stock indexes, because you think if the dollar move continues, that it could be pressure, shows tightening financial conditions. I think credit spreads actually started to widen out this week between junk and treasuries. So what do you have in S&Ps with your work?
Okay. I
The
will.
dollar, we've got the picture.
Yeah, like that.
It's pretty clear.
And I can show you, because you're not seeing my screen right now, or do you see it?
Yes, I see the silver weekly is still up there.
Okay, I'm going to share then now the European stock, their
Okay.
European
Let me ask
market.
you something, Alba.
Yeah.
What in Spain, what are people saying about the war in Ukraine and how Europe is, wants to get more involved, possibly to distract populations from
From the
economic
real problems
problems?
that we have, no?
Yeah,
Well,
yeah,
the media, they are
yeah,
showing that they are showing us that Putin is the bad guy,
yeah.
and they are trying to convince us that the European Union needs more money and more taxes to rearm
Okay,
themselves, because we are in
okay,
danger because of the war.
okay,
And that's the discourse,
okay.
the
All right.
official one right
Yeah.
now.
They
And
want. So, I mean, who controls the media?
who controls the media? The
Yeah,
government, the European
yeah,
Union.
yeah. All right, all right.
The
Okay.
guys that they are telling us to buy electric cars and all the stuff, even when they
Yeah,
explode, and even when the companies and the car companies here in
yeah,
Germany, they have Volkswagen,
yeah.
BMW. They made recently a meeting that they were saying that they were going to lower the production with electric cars, because it's not there. It's not giving any profit. In fact, they are probably they're going to have losses.
Yeah,
All the brands. We
yeah.
cannot in Europe. We cannot um, compare us with China, for example. We cannot
Yeah.
compete. In fact, we demand all the electric stuff, all the batteries for buses, electric buses, and all the stuff. We do
Okay.
not produce it. So European Union is a giant that is going to demand a lot of taxes for what they want to. And if they make a war, it will be great, a great excuse, no?
Yeah.
I think.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm
All right.
showing that
I'm look.
Dale. I don't know
Okay.
if you're sharing my if it's sharing my screen.
I just see you, so you
You
may
just see
have to hit
me.
the share button again. So when
Okay.
usually you can move from
Okay.
screen to screen, but
Okay.
here we go.
Okay. See now, this is DAX.
Okay.
Okay. Perfect. So now, the worse the economy goes, the better for the markets, I think, because France is before a bailout. UK is not going good. Germany is not going good, but all their markets are in maximums. So right now, I'm looking for reversal movements, and some things have happened right now that they're appearing some wolf waves, which are very particular ones that they have a probability of 50-50, but they are warning us that probably in the short term the market is going to make an adjustment. Okay, and I have here all the targets. And it appeared in France also. I'm going to share
And these are, that's a
the CAC
short-term
40.
chart, 1 hour chart.
Yeah, in 1 hour,
Okay.
but all the change in these trends appear
Yeah.
in 1 hour first,
Right.
and then
Good point.
they can continue. But first, the first wolf wave appears normally in 1 hour. So we have here France is CAC 40, le CAC 40 in French.
Yeah.
So it's making also like a double top, and it have the wolf wave until the price doesn't go up and consolidates and closes candles upper 0.5. This wolf wave is active, so we can expect this next week maybe some bearish movements in Europe. Euro stocks also have it. It's cleaner, the Euro stocks one. It follows DAX also.
Okay.
And UK is for free. UK is very strong
Yeah.
right now, making new highs. And I can only have chart these figures in UK and expect a breakout. Nothing more to trade in UK. And that's the point that sometimes I wanted to show you my blog of the wolf wave because this happened before. A lot of wolf waves appeared in different indexes, and then all of them were completed at once. So that's the point that I'm trying to tell you, that this happened before and it has possibilities. We need to see how the S&P right now and Nasdaq ends
Yeah.
the week. If you want, I can go with Nasdaq, S&P, and Dow Jones right
Okay.
now.
So do you buy
Yeah,
into the argument like what we had, earlier in the year with DAX outperformance of almost any market was out in Europe was outperforming the U.S. And then the last couple months, the U.S. began to outperform again because the DAX, hadn't made a new high in a while S&Ps kept making new highs. Um, is it really a shift for people to be the U.S.? Other markets are going to be outperforming the U.S. long term. This is a long term
I don't think
movement.
so. I don't
Okay.
think so. I need,
Okay.
no,
A
I
lot of
don't think
people
so.
emerging markets and anything but U.S. But okay, that answers my
When
question.
US begins to shake, I'm going to share
Yeah.
the screen right now. Give me a
Yeah.
second. 92 participants right now, live. Yoo-hoo. Okay, there you're famous. So this is the S&P, this is Nasdaq. I have these lines are very important levels to bounce.
Okay.
And uh, you see the strength of the movement, no? It only
Yeah.
bounces and gives us Fibonacci's and bullish Fibonacci and bullish Fibonacci, a little adjust, and every bounce is supported by high volume with a lot of negotiation. So right now is he tries to make another maximum, but it's consuming time, but no price. It's a strength sign, but everybody is waiting right now to see if there is some breathe. I mean, some relax right now in the stock markets, in S&P, in Nasdaq, to see if all the if other actives like DAX and all that stuff, we can make some shorts. Even if you don't do shorts here or here, you can do shorts or reply shorts, for example,
Yeah.
in
Yeah.
another actives which are
All right. So you prove my
weaker.
point. You prove my point that um,
But that
you could be in a bull trend, and there are shorting opportunities in a bull trend.
and a lot of
People don't understand that.
points.
They don't understand that. They think, oh, if you're playing the short
It's
side,
it's the end of the world.
it's like you're staying short. You're not
The perma
trading.
beers,
Yeah.
your perma beer.
Yeah,
No,
right.
no, it's not like that. We trade, we don't invest. If we trade, if we see the market is breaking a key level, I'm going to short it until the next one with a stop loss up on
Yeah,
it.
right,
If it
right.
breaks the next one, I'm going to continue to leave my shorts and add one and
Yeah,
protect them and that
yeah,
and all that stuff until I see another pattern, another bounce pattern, for example, and now I can decide to close the shorts.
right.
And
Okay.
in 4 hours and daily, there are still possibilities to have a small correction day. It's not the end of the world. It's in
No,
until 6,600.
700. Yeah.
Yeah,
And then
600,
rally again.
so yeah, like that.
And then rally to new highs,
And it,
68.
yeah, and it's going to be great to bounce, and we can project another Fibonacci like that and look for new maximums. But this strength that it's the markets are getting us used to it is not healthy. The markets needs to breathe,
It does.
and the sooner it makes it, the better,
How
because it
about
makes
10,
a bubble.
how about 10, 15% before the end of the year?
Down.
Yeah.
I don't have here the percentage tool,
Okay.
but it can be until this the pink level, for example, in 6,500. No, this is
Yeah,
not a
that's 2%.
10%, no?
That's 2%.
Well,
I
don't know 50%, no, eh?
okay,
Maybe it's too much. Maybe it's too much.
well, yeah. Yeah. Not if you
Because
look
we're
at a
in
weekly.
October. We're in October. It's left November and December.
Okay.
Don't
Okay.
know. Don't know, but maybe a breath, yeah. The key
Yeah.
that I want to share to our guests right now, to everyone which is view, these key levels are the targets, for example, if it breaks them down and bounce areas also. And
Yeah.
once it can bounce, we can combine it with another with
Yeah.
Fibonacci or maybe. But right now, the only thing I see, and it's going to be open Wall Street in 30 minutes, that is consuming time, but no price. So
Okay. And unhealthy because it needs a correction. Anyway,
yeah, you know it,
uh
no, Dale, that it needs a correction.
yeah.
And, and,
And
and, and that I wanted to tell you that in Dow Jones, it's making it
weaker. It's
cleaner.
weaker. Yeah.
It's not weaker,
Yeah.
but we have the same various divergences here.
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
breaks, it has broken the 50 moving average here. So
Yeah.
another lower high in Dow Jones, I will combine it with another Fibonacci. And
Yeah.
maybe if Dow Jones go first, then S&P and Nasdaq can breathe. Don't know. I have all the key levels here.
Uh, all
So
right, Alba. People are commenting on your uh your your charts and interested in your indicators.
mhm.
And so why don't we take the last few minutes and
Okay.
let
Do you want to
people
see
know.
Bitcoin or something?
No, I want people to be able to get a hold of you, to get involved with you should they want to. So maybe you show your blog or your
Okay.
website, just so that people
Perfect.
that see you live, and we're live on X right now and everywhere.
Yeah, I used
Um,
to upload
yeah,
charts and
yeah.
okay.
So
Okay.
yeah, so
Then
best way for people to stay in touch with your work, and you do English translations on your work, so those that don't speak Spanish it could be useful to them.
like that. This is the blog, the personal blog I made with the wolf wave. Do you see it in
Yes,
the
got it.
screen?
Yeah,
Okay.
got it.
So we have videos, trades, how to recognize a wolf wave, the points where it must be there, statistics, everything. And well, I have here some
Do you have a
psychotraining.
subscription, or this is all free?
No, this is free, and if they want to learn all the system with the indicators and tools and mentorings, we have I can teach them, but they
Okay.
can recognize and begin to know what is a wolf wave and how to draw it and all of this with the blog. And also I have my project is salaparatraders.com, which is a tool designed for traders with 24 hours access. And we, as the same as you, I think, no, we share analysis operatives. We make lives in the opening of Wall Street. For example, I have a personal scalping um, system which I show them and try to teach them, and also Fibonacci. I have three main operatives: the wolf waves, the Fibonacci, and swing in forex, scalping and swing in forex. So
Okay. All right.
nothing more. Um,
All right. All right. Well,
and
it was great.
My Twitter, for example, not my Twitter here,
Oh yeah.
Albita Mix.
At Albedamix.
Yeah, this is Instagram. No, Instagram. It's
Yeah,
not
there it is.
this. It's
All
very
right. So there, I mean, what I would do right now is follow Alba right now. And then you'll have all the different places you could go find her.
okay.
So I recommend you follow her. No, whatever language you speak.
Yeah, I can speak.
So
Well, you see, speak English. It's no
you,
problem. You
you
can ask
do.
me anything you want in
It's better
English.
than my. Yeah, it's excellent. Us Americans can't even speak English. So anyway, Alba, it was great to talk to you again. I'd like to keep you in the rotation where we
Yeah.
could see you every quarter or so and check up with you, see how you're doing. And
Yeah.
thanks for your time today.
Thank you, Dale, for taking me here with you again. It's been a
It's,
while. I know you from 2015, maybe, or 2016.
yeah,
And we follow each other. It's great thing that we survive the market 10 years more. So it's
yeah,
a sign that we're warriors
we
and
are.
we know what we do, know what, and
Yeah,
we have similar ways to see the market. I'm very glad every time I click on your screen and on your charts. It's great to see that we have similar ways to see the markets, to understand the markets. It's good.
yeah, you're a pro. So my trading warrior sister, Alba, people follow her. She'll be in the rotation, but that's 3 months from now or so. So follow
Okay.
her on X and let me know what she's doing with her wolf waves. Have a great fall trading season, Alba.
Yeah.
And
If
I'll
if
talk
the
to you later.
markets begin to breathe, I will post it on Twitter, and I will
Okay.
post the targets, everything, so the people can know where the market can stop.
Okay.
It's not going to be a very big movement downwards, but it
Okay.
needs to adjust. No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
We'll
just,
see you next week.
all right. See you, Alba. Have a
Okay.
great
See
weekend.
you.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Same.
All
Bye
right.
bye.
All right. So people are thanking you. Hey, and
Yeah.
Laura, congratulations on being long medals from June. It's great to see. We love to see successful people. We celebrate people's wins. We don't have people rooting in here for others to fail. Okay? We don't do that.
Like
You could
that.
do that. You could,
We celebrate
yeah, we
everybody
celebrate. It's
is
like a win
learning
for
and it's
you.
improving.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Anyway, so that's our decorum here. And, I'm going to call you on it if you're behaving like that. In the meantime, don't just look at your moving averages and your charts and count your pips, count your blessings. Adios, everyone. You're welcome, Adam. See everyone Monday. Enjoy the weekend. Remember, money comes and goes. Time is gone forever. So make the most of it. Adios.
Hey traders, this is Blake Morrow with ForexAnalytix. Thanks for stopping by our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like these videos, share them, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of the content that we provide here for free. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video.